So we have Mr. Chanaka Jinasena with us. He's no stranger to any of you who love classic cars, right? He's a classic car enthusiast and he has taken 14 years to restore something really, really cool and it still turns heads. It's a 1958 Buick Century. So 14 years of hard work, Chanaka. What made you decide to go with this beautiful American classic and you took 14 years to restore and the final finish is amazing. Congratulations on it. Tell us a bit about the story behind this car.
Okay, so from a very young age, I had a crazy love for big American cars.
Yes.
And of course, they are few and far between here in Sri Lanka. So when I saw this car, I was shown this car by a friend. I just fell in love with it. Everything about it, I mean, the fact that it's so sort of extra, it's got
Yes.
this is dripping in chrome.
Yes.
Actually, the 58 Buick is known as the world's most chromed car.
Right.
I love the hooded headlights and
Yes.
the pillarless body style.
Yes.
And the fact that it has such a big capacity engine
Exactly,
and
yes.
the special transmission.
Yes.
So everything about it I just loved, and I just knew when I saw it that I had to have it.
Yes.
And that I wanted to restore it.
Yes.
So that's really how I got into this at first.
Awesome. And CJ, so this is an American car on Sri Lankan soil. I'm pretty sure the world over, whoever sees this car, they'll be really, really happy to see it in superb running condition. And also some interesting facts you told about the car. It's a 6-liter V8.
6-liter V8, yes.
Yes, and also it originally came with AC,
Yes.
power windows,
Yes.
power seats,
Yeah.
and what else?
It's got a power steering, power brakes,
Oh my.
6-way power seats, power radio antenna,
Yes.
air conditioning, under seat heating.
My.
So it's got a lot of
It's
features.
way ahead of its time, I must say. I mean, for a
Yes.
1958 car,
Yes.
and you see this rolling on the streets, whether it's Sri Lanka, US, wherever in the world, it's going to turn heads, and it's an absolute beauty. So I too love these huge vehicles, huge American vehicles. They look so classy. And Chanaka, so another thing that is really a feature that stands out in this car would be the pillarless arrangement of this car, right? Front to
Yes.
back, when you put the shutters down
Down,
again,
yes.
power windows, it looks amazing. And it has this kind of sporty style to it, CJ.
Yes.
Is that also something that you adore?
Absolutely, yes. The Century was their sort of sporty model in their lineup. I mean, it's not a sports car by any means, but within their lineup, this was the sort of more sporty
Correct.
one.
Correct.
So that also was very appealing to me.
For sure, and the ride comfort also was amazing. I mean, it was so smooth. We took it on a drive. We were seated in the back, me and Ashok. Ashok was in the front, and CJ was driving. Man, it was so comfortable in the back. And I think every single part is original, Chanaka. You have painstakingly restored this car, and to find parts, how did you manage that? It wouldn't have been easy for sure.
It wasn't easy at all, because even overseas, not many parts for these cars are manufactured now.
Yes.
Like if you take British cars, a lot of companies manufacture new parts for them.
Yes.
But for these, no one manufactures parts.
Yes.
So I had to first establish myself in groups and forums and make some good contacts in the
Yes.
US
Yes.
before I started restoration. Of course, when I showed them photos of the car, how it was, they all laughed and said, "Oh,
Yeah.
you know, this
Yeah.
is beyond restoration."
And you did the impossible essentially.
Yes.
So congrats on that. And I think in Ashrak's segment, he will ask you more about this car and your love affair with it. And I guess, Chanaka, as you mentioned, if you aren't passionate about something like this, no matter how much money you have, you will not end up with a result like this, right?
Yes.
You have
I mean,
to be in it.
It's not the money. I
Yeah.
mean, it's not a question of how much money you can throw at
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
I mean, you have to have the passion and the
Correct.
dedication to do it yourself.
Yes, correct.
You have to be involved with everything yourself.
Agreed.
So that's really my passion.
Yeah.
You know.
And it shows, right? The character and everything, it speaks CJ over here. You like boats. It's also
Yes.
like a boat,
Yes.
but going on the road.
Yeah.
So awesome. Thank you for talking to me, CJ. And
Welcome.
next up, Ashrak will talk to you a bit about your vehicle. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So Chanaka, we've been hearing about how painstaking, and how much effort you put into this. I think even I'm writing my motorbike write-up, I think would it be right to say you put a lot of blood, sweat, tears, anguish and financial commitment into this?
Absolutely, yes. I mean, that's really my passion. Now that it's done more than driving, I mean, I do love driving it, but my real interest and passion was the journey to get here, the restoration, doing it. That was what really interested me the most.
And it's quite a very well equipped car for its time, isn't it?
It is, yes. I mean, these were like the top of the line in that time. So it has a lot of fancy features for that time. They were fancy for that time as standard equipment. It has the air conditioning, power windows, power steering, power brakes, six-way power seat, heating, and it has power radio antenna. So radio, so a lot of features.
Yes, and the best part is we noticed those features working on the car as we drove over here. So
Yes.
I think that is another testament to your attention to detail for restoration. You make sure that everything's functional and that air conditioning is fabulous. And those features like you mentioned in 1958 would have been mind-blowing.
Yes, at that time they were, I guess, if you compare to same era British cars, this was like something out of this world at that time.
I can imagine, everything from its size to its design. Tell us a bit about the design, because I know Americans had a very distinctive design brief, right? And we just got something interesting going there.
Yeah.
But yeah, tell us a bit about the design of this car.
So in this era, the Americans had this thing about styling their cars, sort of taking design cues from jet planes.
Oh, okay.
So this is, they called it the airborne B-58 Buick.
Oh, wow.
So, it's got like these ornamental gun sights on the front wings. The tail lights are supposed to look like sort of afterburners, and they took a lot of styling to sort of mimic jet planes.
I see. And of course those lovely wraparound windshields, which I understand were quite a endeavor for you to source.
Yes.
But the end result speaks for itself, and of course the car has come out to a concourse level restoration, and you deserve a lot of praise and admiration for that, Chanaka. So thank you for letting us feature this beauty of yours. We really appreciate it, Mahen and I. Nice.
So there you go, guys. That's our review of this pristinely restored 1958 Century. And Ashrak, we have just
hit a milestone.
Yeah, 1 million views mark in less than 2 years. So we are super excited to be doing this review, and this is just after we have completed our 1 million view milestone. So cheers, 2 years, and a big thank you to all of you who have subscribed and who have supported us. And it's not too late to subscribe, and if you like this video, please do share it with your friends, especially our friends from the US, right?
Yeah, this is a fantastic American car that's been pristinely restored in Sri Lanka, and a lot of effort and time and everything has gone into it. The owner is an absolute petrol head who spares no expense. Attention to detail is top notch, and it's evident in this car. You just saw it from the video of the car.
And a big thank you to CJ or Mr. Chanaka Jinasena for doing this. And this is not the only car he has restored. He's restored dozens. And so it's really a happy moment for us. And big thank you once again, CJ, for having us. And we are super proud to have featured this car and its story on Rev Matches. So there you go, guys. This is our feature of a restoration project that took 14 years. Cheers and drive safe. Take care.